So maganda itong awareness na ito na lahat tayong mga Dabaweños we are all conscious
Yes.
about the security of the city.
Oh.
Na hindi lang ipasa doon sa mga police, task force, hindi tayong lahat talagang involved nito.
Dapat isipin kasi natin na kapag merong nangyari, sabihin naman natin na hindi tayo kasali doon, pero merong mamamatay, merong mahospital, and it might be, Simbakula, our loved one.
Oh, loved one.
Diba?
Yan. Totoo yan.
Like nung, a very concrete example lang, para malaman ng mga tao, nung September 2 bombing incident natin, merong isang babae na who went to Rojas para magpamassage
Oo.
lang.
Oo.
So, hindi alam ng mother niya na pumunta siya doon para magpamassage lang. And then she died. Unfortunately, she died doon sa incident na yon. So, isipin natin ganun. Baka yung ating anak, bumili lang doon ng merienda, tapos merong nangyari. And then we know about something, but we did not do anything about it. So, isipin natin na even our loved ones are in danger of the global problem of terrorism. So, it has to be a
Community effort.
yes, community effort.
Tayong lahat.
Opo.
Yes, thank you so much, Mayor. We continue, Pastor. We have a question here. Why do you want the martial law lifted in Davao City? Do you think the President will allow it?
Wait lang.
Paano muna?
So, I will start it by saying that this is my opinion. Okay? This is my opinion. Martial law, kapag mag-martial law ka, dapat the truly strict, real sense martial law, where the military takes over civilian functions. Ibig sabihin, wala ng mayor, military na lang. Oh, wala ng courts because there will be military courts. Dapat, kung mag-martial law ta, dapat ingana. Diba? Pag sinabi so military takes over, pag sinabi nila, bawal maglakad 5 p.m., lahat.
Bawal.
Wala na yan. Bawal mag-travel ang mga jeepneys. Dapat,
That is the essence of martial law.
yes. Oo. That is my opinion. So, kung magpa-implement ang martial law, it has to be like that. So, since nakita naman nato in our assessment na our security sector is in place, their coordination is very good. The way that naga-function ang ato ang Task Force Davao and Davao City Police Office, okay man. And then, you still have the mayor, you still have City Hall, we still have our courts, civilian functions, okay tanan. So, I think na it is best siguro na magpa-exempt ang Davao City sa coverage sa declaration sa martial law. Because during our ICON, our Davao City Investment Conference, we talked to ambassadors of different embassies here in the Philippines, and then they're saying na, well, kani dili na nila ako opinion. Kani is a suggestion na by the ambassadors of different embassies. They said, ang negosyo, ang foreign businesses doing business in the Philippines, they buy insurance. Now karon, if there is a security threat, if there is a declaration of martial law, if there is a health outbreak, epidemic, tumataas yung insurance. So the cost of doing business, tumataas din. So there is a business effect, business factor sa declaration ng martial law. So naisip ko, two-pronged. My opinion is that dapat kung mag-martial law tayo, it has to be the strict sense of the martial law. And then number two, there is a request from our international businesses, international community about the effect of martial law sa business nila. So then we decided na to consult the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police. We wrote them a letter. Ang utana ta sa ilaha, pwede ba na magpa-exempt na ang Davao City? In fact, apil na mo, suggest na mo sa Samal. Since Samal is not under Davao City, but they receive tourists every day also. Gi-suggest na mo sa ilaha pod sa Island Garden City of Samal to request the national government that Davao City and the Island Garden City of Samal be exempted from the declaration of martial law.
So that's your your take and opinion for it, Mayor.
Yes, ang ako ang opinion dapat kung mag-declare tag martial law, dapat katong tinuod ng martial law yun.
Huwag kita kauna-huna na. Huwag kita ng tinuod.
Yes, it has to be military rule.
Yes.
Yes.
Tari ro
Oo.
maging ang martial law.
Yes.
I think, of course, the president will know this. Baka magsunod din yung ibang city.
That's why I said I started with this is my opinion. This is my opinion. Dapat siguro pag mag-declare tag martial law, katong tinuod yun na martial
You
law.
haven't discussed this with the president?
No, I have not discussed it with the president. I'm sure since siya ang president and then intelligence information comes to him every day. He has security advisors, he has military advisors,
Exactly.
police advisors. So he knows what he is doing.
Sure, that's right.